Pre-module 4, adding and subtracting like terms or combining like terms. So we know from previous classes just that adding 5 plus 7 will give us 12. But if we add 5x plus 7x, what does that give us? Well, if we have 5 of something and 7 of something, we have 12 of that something. So that will give us 12x. Same with subtracting. 5 take away 7 gives us a negative 2. So 5 of something take away 7 of something, we have a negative 2 of that something. And then we have a negative 5 subtract 7 would give us negative 12. Negative 5x take away 7x gives us a negative 12x. So it's the same as adding the coefficients in front of these x's. They have to be like terms though. You'll see in the next example, if they're not like terms, you can't add them together. You have to look for the like terms sometimes. But so here's an A. I can't add an A to a B, but I can add an A to another A. This term includes the sign. So this is a positive 3 and a positive 6, which makes positive 9 for the A part. The B is a negative 2 and a positive 4. A negative 2 and positive 4 combine to a positive 2b. These cannot be combined any further. Do not make this 11ab or anything like that. This is the answer. Okay, so you find the like things and you add the coefficients in front. Try another one. Here's an M. Here's an M. So we have negative 2m and positive 2m. Negative 2 and positive 2 actually add up to 0m, which means we probably don't have to even write it. The n's, negative 2n and negative 3n add up to negative 5n. And then our positive 5 and our positive 7 need to be combined into a positive 12. So our final answer is just negative 5n plus 12n. Why don't we have an m in there? Because it added up to 0. Kind of canceled each other out. All right, finally on this last one, there's no number in front of this x. So what does that mean is in front of it? What's the coefficient of this x? Right, it should be a 1. What's the coefficient in front of this x? Not 1, but negative 1. That sign goes with it. So negative 1. So when we go to put these together, we have a positive 1x and a negative 1x, which adds up to 0x, which means we don't need to write it. The only thing left is our 3. So our answer to this, it simplifies to a 3. So that's adding like terms.